Hey friends, today we're going to draw a funny leprechaun frog.
And we hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using our markers to draw and color with.
But you can always use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or even colored pencils. I love how this one turned out. I want to squish your little frog's face.
Yeah, me too. This one was super fun.
All right, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw our frog's mouth. We're going to draw it in the middle of our paper, and we're going to draw our frog happy.
Happy frog.
Happy frog with big, giant frog eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. Then we can draw the highlight or the small circle inside on the top left. We're going to leave that white, but color in the big circle. This makes the eyes look shiny.
Remember, you can pause the video if we ever go too fast.
Yeah, especially when we fast forward.
Yeah.
Next, let's draw our frog's bow tie. We're going to draw right here directly under the mouth. We're going to draw a square or a rectangle, whichever. Then we're going to draw the side of the bow coming out, down, and back in on the bottom. And then repeat on the other side to match. Then we can also add a little wrinkle inside. Okay, now for our frog's head. We're going to draw the eyebrows or the little eyelids. So we're going to draw a half circle that goes over on each eye. Then we're going to draw the cute little cheeks, the funny cheeks. We're going to draw it curving out. And then we're going to connect into the middle of the bow. And then we can do the same over here. And connect it. Okay, right? This is awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the hat. And we're gonna draw it fancy. We're gonna draw a fancy top hat. We're gonna draw the curve going in between the eyes, but going down. Then we're gonna draw it curving out on this side, and watch, we're gonna come down to match with that curve in the bottom, and then we're gonna curve around and then back in on this side. That looks like a hot dog.
Yeah.
This is a hot dog frog, except let's turn it into a top hat. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming up and to the left on the left side and up to the right on the right side.
Let's name him Mr. Frog.
Mr. Frog, I like it. That's a good name. And then we're going to curve and connect the top. Then we can draw, I like that yours is even more round. That's a different style. I like it.
Thanks.
Then we're going to draw a curve for the belt decoration. And I like that we're drawing all of these leprechaun animals for St. Patrick's.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This one could be my new favorite. This is the two short lines for the buckle decoration on the hat. We're going to draw a square on the inside. You could also pause the video if you want to add extra decorations. Maybe you could draw a 4-leaf clover sticking out of the hat.
Oh, yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah. Okay, now let's do something a little different than the other leprechauns that we've drawn. We're going to add a pot of gold that our frog is hanging onto over here on the left side. So first, let's draw a curve, kind of like we're drawing a smile. And I'm going to draw it so that it gets really close to the bow. Then we're going to draw the gold on the top. So I'm going to draw a bumpy kind of cloud line on the top. Then we're going to draw the lip of the pot of gold, curving around and connecting it. Kind of looks like the hot dog shape, except...
Oh, yeah, it's like the same thing that we put on his head.
Yeah. Okay, then we can draw the pot coming down, around, and connect back up.
He's got a lot of gold in there.
He does. It's full. And then we're going to draw the hand, frog hand, hanging onto it. We'll draw 3 fingers on the side. Perfect. Now let's draw the rest of our frog. We're going to draw his suit next. We're going to draw it coming down. And on this side, it's behind the pot of gold, so we're only drawing part of it. Then we're gonna draw the suit jacket open, so we can draw 2 lines coming down from the bow. Then we're gonna curve out and connect on the right side, and curve out and connect to the pot of gold on the left side. Then we're gonna draw the fancy collar. Oh, you could also draw a shoulder.
Okay.
Mine's connected, so it's hidden behind the gold. Now we're gonna draw the fancy collar. We're gonna draw a sideways letter V, and then another one coming all the way down to the bottom. And then over here, you can imagine it, maybe on mine, I think all you can see is the little diagonal down here at the bottom. Maybe a small little V right here. Yeah, that looks really cool.
Yeah.
Then right here, let's draw a belt inside of our jacket. So 2 lines going across the waist and 2 short lines down just like we did up here. And then we can also draw a tiny little square. I'm gonna color it in. Then we're gonna color in the belt too while we're here. That says small little buckle. And then let's draw the letter V for the vest underneath the jacket. Okay, and then also we need our frog legs. We're gonna draw 2 short lines down from the jacket. Then we're gonna draw a curve in the middle. And then 2 more short lines, but look, I'm trying to match the outside, so they just come down to the same length. You could make the outside lines a little longer if you need to. Yeah, and then we're gonna connect the pant legs together. And now we need our little frog feet.
Yeah.
Let's draw the heels coming down from the pants. So this line is a bit longer. Then we're gonna draw the outside of the legs a little shorter on the outside. Then we're gonna draw the toes coming around. 1, 2, and 3. Those are funny toes. Then we're gonna draw funny toes on this side to match. 1, 2, and 3.
My pinky toe on the
yeah.
left leg got pretty weird.
It's strong. It's
Yeah.
super strong. And then this big toe is super strong on this one. Now we have one more thing to add, and it's his right arm.
Yeah.
We're missing one. We're gonna draw a kind of a big hand. We want it to look like it matches this side. Then we can add a small little thumb and 2 short lines for the finger. Then we're gonna draw a little stem coming out, and we could draw a clover or a shamrock. I'm gonna draw a sideways heart for one leaf, another sideways heart going the other way, and then one more heart going straight up. Oh, we could also draw a little stem coming out the bottom. Okay, let's draw his sleeve. We're gonna come down diagonal from his shoulder and then connect to his hand or fist. And then we're gonna draw the other side right here. And we also could give him a fancy sleeve. We drew a little curve right in there for the end of the sleeve. All right, we did it. We finished coloring our funny leprechaun frog, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, it's gonna be a lot of green.
Yeah, well.
I just realized. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Oh, we'll also add more things to the background.
Oh, yeah.
You ready to speed things up?
Let's do it.
Awesome, we did it! We finished coloring our funny frogs and they turned out awesome.
Yeah.
They kind of look like they're dressed up for a date.
Yeah, it does.
It's got his gift and a little flower.
For Mrs. Frog.
Mrs. Leprechaun Frog.
Yes.
Now you can pause the video like we mentioned and match our same coloring.
Or color any way you want.
Yeah, and add extra things like a full background with a rainbow for sure.
Oh, yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
That's because the most important thing is
Have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.